hair follicles, fingerprints, footprints, anything. Be very careful not to contaminate any of the evidence at the crime scene.
And why should I not do it?
It might trouble the investigation.
What do you think will happen in terms of troubling the investigation?
It would cross-contaminate the crime scene, so it would make it difficult to find who actually shot the person.
This is amazing. At 9 years old, what she's telling me, yes, she's telling me years of stuff that I'm studying. And at 9 years old, she's telling me about localized principle. She's telling me about traces. And we do have traces because local principle states that every contact is a trace. And when she's telling me about that at 9 years old, I am taken aback.
Right here are footprints.
Right.
True impression, right?
True impression.
Right.
But another reason why I think this was not a suicide is because our victim there is not wearing shoes. There is a slipper right here. I don't really think this slipper says anything. But if we get this to a forensic lab, it might have traces of DNA. And if you're going to pick this up, you need to wear gloves. This seems to be the victim's handwriting.